Okay, so we're going to look at the skill of painting. Okay, so we're using the electrode to paint to find the hot spot. And so let's say this is where it hurts. So this is where I'm going to start. And even though this is red, this is the negative. Okay, so this is the negative end of the cord. I've got the positive up on my hip. We've described this in another section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this power up until I feel what I would call a 4, okay? Or I like to go, you can almost see my foot's starting to react a little bit, okay? So now I'm starting to get some muscle reaction. I actually feel it all the way down into my foot. Okay, and so this is at a level, like there's some, actually in my calf, there's muscles that are fasciculating right now, okay? And so I like to go where I start to feel some muscles do this fasciculation, so that just means that the muscle is kind of twitching, not like a whole muscle group, but just like a muscle fiber is twitching, and I can feel it all the way down into, like if it was my ring finger, it's my ring toe, okay? So I can feel this all the way down. So I know I got some sensation here, and so I can use this to do some painting. And I'm going to try and position this so you guys can kind of see what's going on. Okay, so as I do this painting, as I slide this electrode, like you can kind of see my toes. My toes will be a pretty good giveaway as I find intensity, okay? And so what I'm doing, this is a one-handed paint, okay? So just so you know, I got my fingers on top, I got my thumb underneath the front of the electrode, okay? Can I feel anything? I actually can't right now, okay? And then I'm gonna come back up, keep my fingers, keep contact, and then I get my thumb on this side, and I'm pinching the sponge and the electrode, so both, between my thumb and this finger, but I'm keeping pressure on the electrode as I paint and make another swipe up. And let's see what happens when I get up here. Yee, there we go. Okay, so there is a nerve plexus here, so it's really common that we feel something there, and we do take that into account. But right now, like you can see, ooh, that's a lot more intensity right there. If I go around behind it, boom, drops off, come back, find that spot again.